Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the folder is ready and you have backups. This prevents accidental data loss. Open VS Code and load the exact project folder or workspace file you will rename. Once open, review package, JSON and settings. JSON for any references to the project name since those often need updates. Make sure source control is clean or stashed before proceeding so you can roll back easily. This first step saves time and avoids merge conflicts later. Now you perform the core renames. Use workspace search and replace across files to change literals and comments. Use rename symbol for identifiers to preserve references. Edit package, JSON name and any README headings, then update import paths if the folder name appears in code or build scripts. After that, rename the folder on disk and in your workspace file, then reload the VS Code window to ensure changes propagate. This reduces broken imports and build errors before committing. Finish by running your build, tests, and linter to catch any missed references. Fix failing import paths or configuration entries as indicated. Once green, commit with a clear message and push to the remote repository so collaborators get the new name. If something goes wrong, revert the commit or restore the backup you made earlier. Alternatively, use git reflog to find the prior state. One quick troubleshooting tip. If extensions behave oddly, reload the window or reinstall the extension to clear cached state.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.